families. So today's first question is now who has named the ICC Men's Player of the Month of May? Answer is Musfikar Rahim. From the Bangladesh camp, Musfikar Rahim was named the ICC Men's Player of the Month for May 2021. Number 2, Catherine Beers has been named as ICC Women's Player of the Month of May. She plays for which country? Answer is Scotland. All-rounder Catherine Beers from Scotland was deservingly voted the ICC Women's Player of the Month for May 2021 as she is the first player from Scotland, male or female, to make it to the top 10 of the batting or bowling list in the ICC player ranking released. Number 3. What is the rank of India in the World Giving Index 2021 by Charities Aid Foundation? Answer is 14th. India has been ranked at 14th spot among 114 countries in the World Giving Index 2021 by Charities Aid Foundation. This rank is up from 10 years global rank of 82. Number 4. The International Day of Family Remittance is marked annually on which day? Answer is 16th June. The International Day of Family Remittance is a United Nations General Assembly recognized day observed on 16th June every year to celebrate the contribution of migrant workers, improve the lives of their families member back home, and to create a future of hope for their children. Number 5. Recently, RBI allowed which of the following as a biller category to expand the scope of Bharat Bill Payment System? Answer is mobile prepaid recharge. Answer is mobile prepaid recharges. According to the RBI, the scope of the Bharat Bill Payment Systems will be expanded by August 31st, 2021 by adding mobile prepaid recharges as a biller category. Number 6. Name the Indian women wrestler who won the gold medal in the 53 category at the Poland Open. Answer is Vinesh Fogart. Indian wrestler Vinesh Fogart who won the medal in the 53 kg category at the Poland Open. It is her third title of the session. Earlier she has won gold medal at the It is her third title of the session. Earlier she has won the gold medal at the Meteo Pelicon event March and Asian Championship in April. Number 7. Cabinet approved Deep Ocean Mission of Ministry of Earth Sciences. The Union Cabinet chaired by Prime Minister Narendra Modi has approved the implementation of Deep Ocean Mission. The mission is proposed by the Ministry of Earth Science to explore the deep ocean for resource and develop deep sea technology for sustainable uses of ocean resources. The main objective of the Deep Ocean Mission is to support the Blue Economic Initiative of the Government of India. Ministry of Earth Science will be the nodal minister of implementing this multi-institutional ambitious mission. Number 8. Central government launched Project O2 for India initiative. The Government of India has launched Project O2 for India to set up production of medical oxygen to meet the potential increase in demand due to further waves of the pandemic. Project O2 for India, an initiative of the Office of Principal Scientific Advisor, Government of India, aims to help stakeholders working to augment the country's ability to meet the rise in demand for medical oxygen. Number 9. Telangana AI Mission launched RevUp. Telangana government has launched the Telangana AI Mission powered by NASSCOM, and as part of the TM, an accelerator program called RevUp has been launched to enable the Empower AI startup. The program that will be its first cohort in July in another step towards making Telangana and Hyderabad a global destination for AI and other emerging technologies. Telangana Industries and IT Principal Secretary Jayesh Ranjan stated, Telangana is committed to its vision of positioning the state as the leader in AI. Number 10, today's last question of the day. Microsoft names CEO Satya Nadella as chairman. Microsoft Corp named Chief Executive Officer Satya Nadella as its new chairman. He took over as the software giant CEO in 2014, succeeding Steve Ballmer. He is created with bringing new energy to the company founded in 1975. The company also appointed former chairman John Thompson as a lead independent director. So thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please subscribe and share as more as you can. Thank you so much.